Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Jisoo from Blackpink with this jump outfit and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to make it black, and this one as well, make it black, and put on this t-shirt. You're going to remove the pattern and then you're going to make it red and make it metallic. Okay, and then you're going to put on this necklace. You're going to make it queen, and then you're going to do this adjustment. Okay, copy my adjustment and put on this belt. This is from the VIP room, and for the color, you're going to color it like this, and then you can copy this adjustment. All right, and then I'm going to go to this area and put on this item. And for this item, I'm going to apply this yellow color, this mustard yellow, and then you're going to put on these boots and you're going to make it all black. Okay, make it all black, and then I'm going to go to the necklace and earring area. I'm going to put on this necklace and select toggle 2, and then for the color, you're going to make the diamond this red color, and then you're going to put on this necklace, make the second selection red. And the next one, I'm going to go to the VIP room and then I'm going to put on this skirt, okay, right here, and then you're going to apply black color and then make it metallic. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Jisoo from Blackpink and Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.